Hi guys, Phil Morgan here. I want to talk to you today about a brand new product out, Total Traffic. It does what it says, it's all about traffic. If you want to sell anything, you need traffic to where you're trying to sell it, whether it's a website or a bricks and mortar store. This is going to show you 15 ways, it's really aimed at the internet marketing, 15 ways of traffic to your site, free. All free methods, nothing here, move out there for a minute, nothing here that you couldn't have found yourself. But what Darren's done is done the work for you, because to do it yourself you'd have taken weeks or months. He's done everything, he's put it together, he's shown you how to do it, you've got the videos to do it, and it's all been tried and tested. It's as simple as that really. So a very, very quick look through the page here to give you some details. So you've got 15 different methods to get traffic to where you want to get it, and it's all free traffic. That's so important, being free, because Google ads, Bing ads, YouTube ads where you're paying for them, it's expensive, it costs, and you don't always get the results you want. So even with some of these methods will not get you some of the results you want, but other ones will, depending on niches you're in and markets you're in. Some will find one better, some will just prefer one system, but they're all giving you free traffic. That is what's so important. So it's called Total Traffic. There's a video I put on this page here where Darren explains what he's doing and why he's doing it. He says it's any link you want, 15 traffic methods on demand, don't struggle for traffic, no tech skills, works in any niche. This is important. It's not just working in the internet money market, dog leads, baby clothes, any niche, this will work to get you traffic. Full video training provided, and with all of Darren's products, so much more. So you've got your 15 methods in there. That's not a lot of people show you this, but I'm going to show you ways of saving money on some of the extras as well. The front end is going to cost you $13, and you get, I'll show you in a minute, a money back guarantee if it doesn't work for you. Nothing works for everybody. Some people just don't like some things and others like it. But you're going to get 15 different methods for doing it. You're going to get some increases that you can spend. This depends on whether you want to do it or not, but I've listed them for you so you know what they are before they get offered to you. You've got a bonus giveaway, right? It says 37, then 17. What it actually doesn't, a lot of people won't say this, it will come up on the screen at $37. If you say no, it drops to 17. So maybe from his point of view, I shouldn't tell you that, but that's what happens when you go through to it. And it's the same with all of these upsells, OTOs, one-time offers. So the first one is give this product and all his previous products away as bonuses to massively increase your affiliate sales conversions. He's going to give you a package here of bonuses that you can give away when you are trying to sell a product yourselves, be it an affiliate product or whatever you're making. It helps, and I've done this in here. I've got 29 incredible bonuses for you. He is for $17 giving you a whole package of these. There's about 20 of them. And it's a bargain. These are up to you whether you do it. You've got your front end cost at $12, or 13 I should say, and you can get this for $17. You can take up the traffic fix, send 6 solo ads to members of his 25 membership sites. Those who know what a solo ad know how cheap this is. A solo ad is that one, I will go to someone who has a big list and I will pay them $60, $70, just sometimes for 100 clicks, which I might get 50 leads out of. He is going to do 6 ads to 25 of his lists. I mean, it's a bargain purchase if you're trying to get people on a list that you've got. Starts at 97, it drops down to 47 if you say no. Reseller rights, 37 down to 17. Get the reseller rights to Total Traffic, sell it as your own, so you can sell this product to other people, and you can sell all these upsells, and you get every dime or dollar, euro, pound, whatever you're in, you will get that money, okay? So you pay $17, you buy your basic one, 13, $17 extra, you get the right to sell this and make all the money from it. Done for your weekly campaigns, $47. 3 of these, this is a campaign. He will give you 3 of these campaigns, all the videos, the bonuses, the work, the setup that I've done here. He can do that 3 times a week for you for $47, I lied, dollars. It's a bargain. Your money, not mine. It really is a bargain, because the way he does the videos, the way we all do our videos, we know that we get results with them. He only, the same as a lot of us, not everybody, I only promote things that I like. I don't hassle people. I don't send people loads and loads of emails. I send people emails to a list I have, only when I think a product's good. I always think Doward's products are always good, I'll be honest on that. But he will do 3 videos a week for you. You will need something called Commission Gorilla. Commission Gorilla would cost you 100, I think it is. It's two versions. One is about $50, one's 100. You would need that because he would just send you a number code. You'd go into Commission Gorilla and it says put the code in here, you put the code in, and the whole page, video, everything is done for you. It's a bargain. It's really, really worthwhile. To get 6 months, I don't know if it's just for 6 months or a year, even if it's 6 months, to say that, you're paying nothing for these videos. 6 months would give you 3 a week, 26 times 3, 75 videos. You know, you're going to get your money back on that. And it also teaches you how to do these. But it's a real good offer. And the last one here is a limited one, so it may have gone by now. 5 persons only. He will launch a product with you. This guy knows what he's doing. He's one of the top earners on the internet market field, and he will help you launch a product. You can create one of your own. You may have an idea, or he will help you create one, and he'll come up with the idea for you as well. But only 5 people because it takes a lot of time. And yeah, it's expensive. It's $800, but if you know what goes into doing a product, it's an excellent price. So they're what we call the upsells that will come through to you. I've shown you the up price and the low price. This is the video that he's done on there. I put in this here as well for you. This will give you a rough breakdown of the program itself. This is what you would go into, and it will have all your, I'll let you look at this in your own time. You can click on any of these down and it will show you what's on the video. It's only snippets, obviously, but it lets you know the layout. He uses the same layout on everything he does. It's very simplistic, nothing clever, no pretty colours and things. You press the button there and it loads the video up for training. Press the button, it loads the next video up. All his videos are concise, short, and to the point to show you what to do. So really the decision is yours. For $13, I think this is a bargain. If you don't like it, you get your money back anyway. To make it even tastier for you, Doward is throwing in some bonuses for you. I've listed them all here that he's doing, a 7-figure training. And there's 5 of them here that he's putting in with you. You can read all these Facebook groups. Product bundle, 18 people he knows are giving you products as well. The reason they're doing it, by the way, is because they want your email address. And 20 reseller rights to other products that he's got, where, remember that one where you've got, if you bought it, you get 20 reseller rights, the reseller rights to this, well, you get another 20 for getting this as well, but that's included within the package. Dedicated customer support. I said this earlier, you get a money back guarantee with it. So if you don't like it after 30 days, he just refunds it. It's as simple as that. Any of these buttons will take you across to the page that he has to explain things a little bit more. I'm throwing, as I said, 28 I've got there, 29 it is. 29 extra products. Some of them money-making products, some of them coaching or teaching products. They're all superb. The ones that are making money products, such as this one, they're all tried and tested, get the words wrong, tried and tested, and they work. People have paid loads of money for them. I'm giving them to you free. So that's on there. This is just a quick breakdown of what I've been saying now, really. Everything is about traffic. If you haven't got traffic to what you're doing nothing. We all have spent, and I used to spend hours preparing these pages, and because I wanted them perfect. You don't need perfect. You need it factual and the information out there. Nothing will be perfect, because somebody will say it's boring because it's just white. Somebody else will say, oh, thank God it's white because it's better than all those coloured ones. It can never be perfect. What's important with anything you do is to get it out there. And it's the same with the traffic. If your site, you keep looking at it, you think it's not perfect, just accept it, get the traffic to it. You will make the money, because it's everything about the traffic. These 15 methods, as I said, tried, tested, and they all work. So I would say go ahead and click on this button now, and I'll show you exactly where it takes you. It takes you over to a page that'll probably take a couple of seconds to load up now. When you're running the cameras, this is his page where it again explains it in a little bit more detail. Some of this I've just taken through. This is the guy himself. He's I don't know how he does it. He produces products every month. Every one of them works. Every one of them is an honest product. And you can't say that for loads of other things. And you'll see on this one, it's with 2 people, Doward and Roberto. This is a case probably where Roberto has paid his $800, and Doward is helping him with this. So Robert you will buy this. Loads of people buy this. So Roberto will make a profit off this. So this is just showing you what that $800 can produce for you. This is an explanation of where they come from and what they do. This is again the video to show you it all. This is some of the proof of his earnings: $25,000 in 30 days. Another one down here, 22,000 in 30 days. This is incredible money. This is $250,000. There's no huge costs with affiliate marketing because, which is what they're doing. It's nearly all profit. There's huge amounts of money this guy makes by giving away excellent products. It's so simple in its way. So go ahead, click on the buttons. Here is breaking down the traffic again. There's the bonuses that I've just shown you again. There's your guarantee with it. And that's it. If you need traffic, if you're struggling to make money, the chances are it is traffic. This is 15 methods of getting traffic, all free methods. Go ahead, try this out. You'll have my email address. I put it on there, and if it's not on there, it will be shortly. And just go ahead and try it and let me know what you think of it. So thanks for listening, and look after yourselves. Take care.